Have you ever noticed how many married men feel trapped in their own homes? Why does a man who once adored his wife now avoid her? Why does he feel safer at the office than in his own living room? Have you ever wondered why some marriages turn into quiet battlefields, even when both partners love each other? Could it be that all this tension and resentment is caused by one simple factor? Yes, you guessed it, the woman. And I'm going to tell you exactly why, in a way most people won't admit out loud. Here's the truth. All men want two things in a marriage. 1. Peace. 2. Consistent peace. Sounds simple, right? It is, until some women decide to turn those two simple needs into a battlefield. Think about this. She wants something, but he disagrees. Does she calmly talk to him like a normal adult? Of course not. Instead, she nagging, manipulates, pressures him until he gives in. And if he finally does it, he's only doing it to stop the chaos. Do you think that creates love or respect? Absolutely not. If nagging fails, what's the next move? Yes, sex is a tool for control. She doesn't care about his feelings, his needs, or even the health of the relationship. All that matters is what she wants right now. Let's break down why so many women act this way. 1. Pure selfishness. They ignore the needs, emotions, and well-being of their husbands. 2. Low-level thinking. Some women see themselves as the main character and everyone else, including their husband, as NPCs. 3. Zero-sum mentality. They think life is about hoarding resources and getting what they want at any cost, even if it hurts the people who love them. This pattern is so normalized that no one blinks when they see it. It's sad, disgusting even, because these men protect, provide, and care, and yet they are treated like disposable tools. What does this do to a marriage? It creates a descending spiral. Men feel unappreciated and emotionally drained. They start avoiding home, emotionally checking out, or seeking escape elsewhere. Women, seeing this, often double down without realizing they are the cause. The sad truth is, most women don't even realize the damage they are causing. And men? Many don't even complain because they're too exhausted to fight. There is a better way. Women who truly understand relationships follow a simple law. Give him peace, care for his needs, and respect his boundaries. This creates an ascending spiral. You give freely, he feels loved and respected. He gives back freely, your needs are met. You continue giving freely. The cycle continues. It's not magic. It's understanding cause and effect in relationships. So how do we change this? Step 1. Awareness. You've already started by watching this. Step 2. Identify the root causes of selfish or controlling behavior. Step 3. Change the belief system that creates this behavior. Step 4. Take action consistently. Respect his needs, communicate without manipulation, and stop using control tactics. It's not about punishing or threatening. It's about creating a relationship where both partners feel safe, respected, and valued. Do you agree with this? Did I miss anything? Leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Your insight matters, because here's the truth. When women stop manipulating and start giving respect and peace, marriages don't just survive, they thrive.